At Flow Control, we design, supply and support efficient hydronic solutions for building services that provide a superior indoor climate, reduce costs, as well as the building's carbon footprint. Drawing on our unparalleled application knowledge at an early stage and considering prefabricated solutions that overcome practical challenges on site, we can help consultants and D&B teams design solutions that work well in the larger context of the building. We support consultants and contractors with product application and drawings, technical documentation, Revit files, valve takeoffs, sizing and selections, and specification text, helping them to save time. We then incorporate the most innovative products for both project-specific and off-the-shelf prefabricated solutions, based on our extensive and up-to-date know-how. This is all done by working closely with world-class suppliers such as the inventor of the PICV, Flowcon. At our modern facility, we stock a wide selection of the highest quality dynamic, general and public health valves and accessories, and prefabricate a range of valve assemblies that fit directly onto terminal units. All products are tested, accurately labelled and cross-referenced to the terminal unit and destination in the building, reducing complexity for installers. Whether it is product training for installers and commissioning engineers, diagnostics and troubleshooting, or annual system surveys, our team takes great pride in providing exceptional support throughout the entire project cycle. We help our customers to deliver projects on time and on budget. No matter how small or large your requirement is, Flow Control supplies the full range of dynamic, general and public health valves, pre-assembled valve sets and manifolds, as well as ancillary products for all heating and cooling applications in the building. Our products are stocked, assembled and distributed from our Burnley facility with the shortest possible lead times. Through our deep understanding of applications and our network of credible European specialist suppliers, we are able to design and build solutions that solve any applicational challenge. Service is in our DNA. Our pledge to you, we will always be there for you, whether through our on-site app or in person. Our warranties underpin our commitment to service. Over the past 10 years, we have successfully supplied highly engineered hydronic valve packages to the most prestigious UK building service projects. Many of these have achieved the highest BREEAM ratings in the country, making our world a cleaner place. Innovative solutions for hydronic systems and building services. Flow Control.